Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can pan on your whiteboard presentations in Wrike. So let us guide you through this. So guys, head over to your presentation, whiteboard presentation here on Wrike, and there are two ways how you can do this. Option number one, you use the shortcut space or the space key on your keyboard. So it works pretty much the same way as on most other whiteboard applications. Press and hold space and then use your mouse to left click and use your mouse to pan across your presentation. Then option number two, you navigate to this hand icon in the bottom left corner, or use the shortcut H to select the pan tool, and then you don't need to press and hold the space key on your keyboard. Instead, left click, hold your left mouse and move your mouse to pan across your presentation. That's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.